Tiffany Love, and we're in Bali, and we're on our way to go eat. And we're gonna help people during coronavirus. And our actual mission is?
We are going to different food stalls, running from one to the other. The key rules are we're gonna put money together. So money in the hat. As long as we have money, we're gonna use it to pay for the food. The dish has to be lower than 20,000 rupees, and the food stalls need not to be having places to sit. And we have a nice group here. Yes. And then we're gonna be sharing all the food together, different food. Stay with us. You're gonna be enjoying it.
All right, eat amplified, live amplified. Mwah.
Our first meal is gonna be fried tofu. Oh, crispy fried tofu.
Yes, that's it.
No seating. Do a polo. Crispy.
Frying.
Yes, this is Lalu. This is my friend. Guys, this is my friend Lalu. And this guy makes the best tofu in entire
Bali. Yes.
What's his name?
Denal.
Danal.
Yeah.
Danal and Lalu.
Lalu, I'm Lombok Island.
Lombok.
Yes.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Cherry with medicine. Wow.
Right?
What does it taste like?
It tastes like pork.
Really?
Yeah. I guess because of the oil.
The oil, yeah.
Share this.
Wow, that's amazing. It looks like, pork.
Wow, fried
Yeah,
pork
that's
skin.
pork skin. Wow.
What do you think?
Amazing good with Russian accent. I will talk to you with Russian accent. This is amazing, you know.
I love you.
America.
Ah, America.
Crispy.
Without
Oh my God. So good.
Yeah,
So
really?
good.
Oh
So
my
good.
God, thank you.
Wah. Terima kasih.
Indonesian food is nice.
It's the bomb.
Wow.
The bomb diggity. No doubt.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Next time you will come back to Lombok Island again? Yeah? Yeah, next to Kuta Beach. I will stay over there.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? Surfing?
No,
No?
just
Chilling.
yeah.
Just chilling. Chilling like a villain. Shiksama.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Cheers.
Many heart. Cheers.
So this is name? Nasi me?
No, it's not.
Nasi na. Don't see nasi na. And then ayam. Nasi ayam. Dasal.
Nasi ayam.
Nasi?
Campur.
Champur. Champur. Normal champur. Okay.
Рисик.
Anybody want to try?
You go first. Ready?
Order? So you try the chicken with you try everything together. One more.
How much is it?
What is it, like noodles with...
What is it?
rice.
Do you like it? No. No?
Very face.
Honest?
That's why I ordered only one.
I will love
Not
it.
for everybody.
Corona.
Corona in your mouth.
Corona in your mouth. We're all going to hell.
Corona is the best spice.
Extra protein. That's good?
It's alright. Do what?
Did you have some?
Ready?
Yeah. So this is a typical breakfast. So if you are out in the morning, you will catch a nasi. Called nasi pisal, I think. Nasi pisal, but or champur. Or nasi champur, anything basically mixed.
All right, now we go to the next spot. The adventure continues. I feel like I'm on like the Blair Witch Project of coronavirus. We're helping the local scene eat some food, helping the street vendors. Da, 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 da. Enzo, how'd you come up with this idea?
I do it back home.
We-
So I take friends and take them to do some food tours in Dubai and in Oman. And everywhere I take people, so I take people on adventure travels. So part of the adventures that they love to eat, the people that do adventures love to eat.
Yes. Oh, look at this! Wow! Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Satu nasi goreng. Yes. Satu mie goreng.
Terima kasih. Shukshama. Hello. How are you? Hi. How are you, baby? Smile. Smile, baby. Assalamu alaikum. Hi, cutie pie. You're so cute. I love you. Mini heart. Mini heart. You know mini heart? Mini heart. You know mini heart? No.
Smooth. Okay.
Sama. Satu mie kuah. Satu mie goreng, satu nasi goreng. Or satu. Oh, okay. Mie kuah. Satu nasi goreng, satu mie goreng.
We just bought a house of noodles.
Are we having noodles?
I don't know.
For dessert? The boy is sweet.
One more time.
I love everything. Love is the answer.
I love love.
I love love.
I love to make love to love.
Who do you love?
Love to everyone.
Hey!
Love you, people.
Love you.
Tony,
What do you love?
part of the people.
Yeah.
You're one of us now.
What do you love? What do you love?
Like
Nasi goreng, of course.
Okay. Opa. What do you love?
Like
Mmm.
Bali.
Bali, Bali, Bali.
So what do you love?
I love my life and this is the life I live. Bali, Bali, Bali. Mwah.
Look, maybe you will eat something.
Simple steak.
Have a bite.
Hey, what's up? This is Tiffany, and we're on a food run around Bali. We are going to different food stalls and helping out the local economy.
No. What is it?
Oh,
So good, so good, so good, so yummy.
simple.
Let's make a boomerang.
This is simple.
Assalamu alaikum.
Boomerang.
Cheers, thank you. All right, ready? Now you say something. Hold on. What do you think?
I think it tastes good.
It's good? Are you having fun tonight?
No.
You're not having fun tonight. Okay.
Stick it out.
What do you think?
I think this is the best stuff I ever have in my life. No, it's not. It's a lie. It's just something. But I think you should try everything in your life because
Absolutely. Eat amplified. Oh, you want some more attention. You like,
but-
you like the camera.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, you're not
baby.
camera
Oh,
shy.
yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh,
yeah.
He's all in. He's all in. What do you think? Are you having fun tonight?
Yeah,
Oh, what are we doing?
eating something I can't tell.
Okay.
But it's the bottom one, simple.
chicken.
That one.
Okay. As long as it tastes good. All right.
Thank you.
What's up, home slice?
It tastes like
Stop.
So, what are we doing
Hola.
tonight?
We are doing.
You're like
we are
Pablo-
already doing a
Yeah.
We've been doing the food store.
I know,
before,
I know.
and this is our.
You're like Pablo Escobar of the food today.
Hola.
You're making it happen. You're making it happen. So, what was your favorite part?
It's the potato.
So far,
chicken bit.
for me, the nasi goreng
For me, it's like
and the tofu.
Okay, okay.
sticky rice. Sticky rice. Like
Lasagna?
the texture is a bit like.
What about your bubble tea?
Might be actually.
Bubble tea. Oh, I love this booby.
Booby tea. Booby tea.
Yeah, for me it's booby
Can
tea.
you show me?
And this
Oh, and the
really
stick?
big, yeah, long beautiful stick.
Eat amplified. Last but not least, Jorge.
Well, this chicken or whatever is the steak is delicious.
Chicken on a stick.
It's delicious, and so far I'd say the chocolate dessert that we had before, woo, to die for. So yeah, definitely enjoying tonight, and gonna get fat to burn the calories when we go up to
The Mount
tour.
Yeah! Stay tuned and check it out on YouTube. Tiffany Love lives amplified, live amplified, love amplified, travel amplified. Thank you, Instagram. I'll see you soon.